again, I'm Ace Guzman, the e-commerce manager for Honor. So I'm a fairly new face here in Honor. So bear with me, guys. Thank you. I hope everyone is having a good time. Please do enjoy the rest of the night with us. And again, kahit sinabi ni Paul paulit-ulit, but thank you everyone for coming here. So I'll just be having a very quick presentation about, mention ni Miss Princess about our affiliate marketing program. Next slide. Ayan. Okay. So, campaign overview lang. We want to reinforce the brand's image and online presence with the help of you guys. We want to maximize your communities, your followers, because I know that our beloved media partners and KOLs have a lot of following. So we want to tap, because we realize there's still untapped market for us. Okay? So, next slide. So I'd like to start off with TikTok affiliate program. So actually I'll be covering TikTok Shop and Lazada, but our main focus is really for TikTok because I think that's where the greatest opportunity is for us for affiliate marketing. So just an overview of what is TikTok affiliate program. So we have two types of collaborators or collaboration for TikTok. So there's target and open collab. But the general definition of our affiliate collab for TikTok is this program helps us move more product, as in distribute more product into your communities in exchange for us incentivizing you guys for doing your organic content, sponsored ads, or whatever type of content you want to generate. Okay. Okay. So next slide, please. Okay. So before anything else, I'd like to ask everyone who here has already activated their TikTok creator shop. Show of hands. So I see 1, 2, 3. Papadamihin pa natin yan. Thank you guys. So just a quick, basically, overview how to activate your TikTok shop. So step 1 is, everybody has TikTok accounts, right? I'm assuming? Okay, thank you. So step 1 is go to your profile. So if you want to test it now, you can. Then step 2 is click on your creator tools. Then step 3 is look for TikTok shop for creators. Kasi there's two kinds. There's TikTok shop for sellers and TikTok shop for creators, which is for affiliates. Okay? And then after you click on that, there would be a prompt that congratulations, you've already activated your TikTok shop. Okay? So, sorry, a caveat lang is you need to have a minimum of 1,000 followers to activate your TikTok shop. Okay? So, next slide, please. Okay, so I showed earlier that there are two types of collaborators, targeted and open. But of course, since you guys are our beloved media partners and KOLs, Honor will be reaching out to you to invite you guys to be our affiliates. Okay, so how would this work? Us, the Honor brand, will send you an invite reaching out to you to be our affiliate. So I know that you guys are already posting for our different phones, especially for X9B, Honor 200, and our other models. But this is basically an additional incentive for you guys in creating your content. Okay? So TikTok Shop affiliate, then you'll receive a notification in your inbox, and then it will show what type of models you can add in your showcase, and then you'll also have a dashboard into seeing how much you've earned in commissions and the type of products you can add to your content. Actually, for context, we had some affiliates that already reached up to 50K worth of commissions just for doing our affiliate program. Okay, so next slide would be an overview of how the invite would look like. Next slide, please. Okay, so this is an example of the message you'll be receiving in your creator inbox. So here, Honor Philippines invite, and you'll see there the validity of us, of our partnership. So the first thing is you'll see free samples available. So what is that? If you want to basically promote one of our products but you don't have the sample unit yet, you could click on that and then request to us specifically if you need that type of model. With the support of PR team, di ba? Thank you guys.
Sample.
And then below, you'll see the message. So an example of which, hi Honor Kada, we're so proud to partner with you. Hope this goes well for us. Cheers. So, ako yung nagsusulat ng message. So bear with me guys. Okay, so that's the overview for the invite. And then if you see on the next image, if you click on product, that's where you'll see our product showcase. So dyan yung pwede i-add yung mga different type of models natin that you want to promote. It's up to you what you select, but of course, I prefer if you guys click on add all, nakikita sa baba. Okay. And if ever din naman you don't receive an invite in your inbox, we could personally send you a personal invite link leading you towards the affiliate link. Okay, so there. Next slide, please. Sorry, up. Go back muna, sorry. Questions for TikTok affiliate overview? None? And I'm assuming you guys are all gonna activate your affiliates. Thank you.
Yes!
Woo! Okay, see you next slide. So, for this one, we just created a quick video on how to be a Lazada affiliate marketing. So, it's very straightforward versus TikTok. But basically, you could cross-post your content on TikTok and then add it to Lazada. So, there. Yeah, so, play. Thank you. So step 1, open your Lazada app. Okay. Then click on your profile. Then swipe left, look for the affiliate link or affiliate microsite. And then you'll be redirected to the affiliate submission. Just fill in your mobile number and you'll receive an OTP. Sorry, ang bilis pala. Search for the device you want to promote on our official Honor stores. Okay, then here an example is H90. Then select. And then copy the link and then you can now start posting to your social medias after. So very straightforward lang siya. O yan o, sample. Okay. Bilis eh, sorry. Next slide. So that's for Lazada. And for the next would be for Shopee. So basically, it's 3 steps to earn commission. Find your product, share the product, and earn from your orders. Okay? So please play, thank you. There. So step 1 is again to open the app, of course. And then go to your profile. Then look for the affiliate program page. Then once you click, again you'll get redirected to the affiliate program link. And same process in a way with Lazada. Just add your details, your number, and then you'll receive an OTP. Talaga. Hindi na sa amin yun, bro, pero... Okay, then once you submit your OTP, you can choose what platform you want to promote. You could also add all if you want. But for this example, we just show Shopee. Because actually, Shopee launched parang TikTok platform na rin. It's called Shopee Video. So if you could check your Shopee apps or update it, it already has it. You could just cross-post your content from your Instagram Reels, your Shorts, your TikTok videos, etc. Then there, you'll receive registered successfully. Okay. And before anything else, we are excited to announce one of our new upcoming phones for next month. So, next slide please. We'd like to introduce our Honor X6B. So, this is going to be an exclusive launch with Shopee from September 6 to September 19. So this launch will be supported by Shopee fully. They'll be starting their social media posting from September 1 to September 3, and all their official Shopee socials. So please support guys the launch and make content about X6B. Thank you. Okay, next slide. So our main KSPs for this is battery capacity, magic capsule, and the durability. And this is our exclusive launch promo with Shopee. We will be having a piso sale for the X6P. So, oh, piso! So the piso sale will be happening on 9/9 midnight sale, and we'll also be having an exclusive Honor Live in the Shopee platform at September 11th from 8 to 10 p.m. So hope you guys tune in, reshare, make content about it, repost. After we invite you, of course, to become our affiliate. Okay. Yeah. The next slide would be just summary of promotions. Of course, the content that we want is, of course, to revolve around number 1, H200 series, and of course, the new X6P, which will be releasing details soon. And we'll be having flash routes, deep discounts, and of course, our installment plans are now available for Shopee. So please, we'll also send a more detailed brief about it, but that's basically it for the affiliate program. So please guys, support, expect invites from us, from our official channels, and please do accept. Thank you everyone and have a good evening.